Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at an Onyx Black 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 HD 4x4 Crew Cab Denali. Stock number 18G613A. You have heavy-duty tow hooks and factory fog lights up front. There's a sharp chrome grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a polished alloy rim that is wrapped in an 18-inch Firestone Transverse tire. You've got chrome tubular assist steps here, and then inside there is a power sunroof. You have a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front seat, and you've got seating for 3 back in the second row. That makes this a 5-passenger Sierra. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have side steps here on the back bumper. There are backup sensors as well as a trailer hitch. You do have a backup camera here, and there is a soft tonneau cover that is in great shape. Inside of the truck bed, you have a spray-in bed liner, and it's very clean back here. And the reason that I'm showing you this GMC today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have buttons for memory seating. You have your usual power amenities. There is a Bose premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and carpeted floor mats. To the left of the steering wheel, there is an integrated trailer brake control and a 4x4 turn dial control. Stepping inside on the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. There is a button here for collision alert as well as a heated steering wheel. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming over to the center, there's a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls. There are buttons for heated and cold front row seating. Underneath of that, you have some additional options. There is a button for a power adjustable pedal, as well as traction control, hill descent control, and lane keep assist. Coming down a little bit further, you do have 3 USB ports right here. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. You have a 6.6-liter V8 engine. And then you can also see here at the rear view mirror, this is equipped with OnStar, and you've also got HomeLink garage door opener buttons. If you'd like to get more information on this GMC or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.